Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make Gamepass on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to open the roblox.com on your browser and just tap on this create tab over here. Just tap on this menu button over here and tap on of creations. After this you have to tap on this experience and tap on menu button again, three part, and just scroll down, and under the monetization you will see this passes option here. And just guys, you have to tap on this create a pass button to create your own game pass. Enter the name, description, and after that you have to write and tap on this create a pass button. Once you created your own game pass, you just need to tap on the new game pass that you have created. Tap on the menu button again, tap on sales and enable the item for sale and enter the price here and tap on save changes, and your game pass has been set up for the sale in please donate. That's how you can create. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.